Hey money hustlers, so today I will show you how you can generate influencers like this. For Instagram and gain followers. Remember, in this video, I only show how to make real-looking images. If you want to create videos of your AI model, then you have to watch my other video, where I show you how you can create videos of your AI model. Well, anyway, if you want to earn money by making a famous AI Instagram model, then you are at the right place. Before I teach you and you start earning, take a look at this AI Instagram model. Here's another one. Another one. And many more. They are all earning up to $1,000 a month just by being consistent and doing the technique I'm going to show you. But remember, you will not see results in the beginning. Come on, be mature. You cannot expect to start earning from day one. You have to wait and let the magic work. So let's start. I am going to tell you the technique in steps. You just have to follow every step one by one every day. And within a month or two, you will start seeing the results. So bookmark this video and watch it if you forget any steps. Step 1. First, find yourself an AI girl image. You can generate it with free AI image generators. If you don't know any of the free AI generators, check out my channel where I have shown you the top 5 free AI image generators. Coming back, first, you have to find one image of your AI girl. You only want that image as a reference to create more similar looking images. Remember, this step is very important. You have to decide what kind of characteristics your AI girl must have that make her stand out from others. For example, look at this AI influencer. She has pink hair and a little brown skin. Now look at her. She has blonde hair and white skin. Here is another example. This AI influencer has short black hair and she looks Asian. So just remember to choose your first image very carefully. You can generate it or just download it from Google or Pinterest. This is the image I am going to take. Now, step 2, we need real-looking images that we can post on Instagram. And for that, we have to log into a website called Seaart.ai. Just log in with Google for free. And in the search bar, type the reference of your AI girl. For example, if your model is blonde, just search blonde and start selecting the images. If your AI model is Latin, search Latin girls and start searching. In my case, the model I have selected is Asian, so I am just going to type Asian girl with long hair. And from here, I will select some images that are realistic and can be used on Instagram, like this one. Don't worry about the face for now, because in the fourth step, we will change it. You just have to select a model that has a high reference to your model, like body size, body shape, and other things that I must not talk about. Because if you have subscribed to my channel, you are smart enough to understand my feelings. Step 3. Stay on Seaart.ai and check this out. When you find an image that you like, hover over it and click on the button that says Try. Now, if you are logged into this website with a free account, you can generate up to 150 images per day, so use it carefully. Now, as I was saying, click on the Try button and change the prompt. For example, let's say you are standing on a beach with the ocean behind. Now, the AI will generate this same girl standing on the beach. And you can use this image for your Instagram. Just play around with the prompts and find yourself an image that is real looking and can be posted on the Instagram account. Step 4. Now, as I was saying, we have the face of the AI model. We have some reference images, and now we just have to swap faces. For that, check the link in the description, click on it, and it will take you to this collab saved file. Don't worry, you don't have to do any coding or stuff. Everything is set and ready to be used. And don't worry if you don't know about collabs. It's a Google space where coders can work if they don't have a high-end PC. Just log in with your Google account and you are ready to go. Log in with your Google. Now click on the Connect button located in the top right corner. Remember to connect with the GPU. Now start running the cells one by one, let it complete, and run another cell. Remember, you cannot run two cells at a time. Let the first one complete and then run another one. Just follow what I am doing. In the first cell, you will get this error. Just ignore it. And do not rerun that tab. Now rename your model image. For easy access, I renamed my model face image as 1 and then numbered all the other images like this. Do not put a space in the name of your images. Now upload all the images to a collab like this. Now, after uploading the images, do this. In my case, the model face image name is 1, and the other images are the images in which I want the face to be changed. Copy the path of the first image and change it with this. And then copy the second image in which the face is to be changed. Now run the cell again. You have to do it one by one. When the cell is finished working, click on this refresh button and you will see a new file appear. Download it and boom, the face has been changed and it is similar to the model's face. Now the second image, delete the swapped file from Collab, copy the path of the third image and put it here, and again run the cell, let it complete, and boom, you got another image. Do it as many times as you want. And make images of your AI model. Now all you have to do is make an Instagram account, start posting regularly, and do some Instagram SEO like using hashtags, use advanced features and others, and get followers. After you get some followers, you can do affiliate marketing or sell some private images to AI model lovers.